So I took off my eyelashes. Next, we're going to remove first all of my makeup. I don't use micellar water that much. For this remedy, I still keep using my coconut oil. Most of the time, if you keep your coconut oil somewhere in your makeup kit area or in your vanity kit, so if that happens, you can just run it with warm water and you're good to go. So hear that it's already melted. I just get some few drops from this one, but since I have a heavy makeup, let's go for more. So there. Yeah. Then I'm going to rub it in, and I start with my lip area going up. Now you can get a clean cloth or cotton swab, just wipe off all of your makeup. And you'll see that much. Alright, pretty much I remove my makeup using a coconut oil, which is it's also good for moisturizer. Have dry skin or oily or combination skin, coconut oil it's still the best oil for you because it has this natural properties that nourish your skin, and it has also a lot of vitamins in it. You're going to get a coconut oil, make sure it's 100% pure coconut oil. Pretty much I'm done with my makeup remover, which is my coconut oil. Next, we're going still to wash it off to make sure it will not, I don't want my pillowcase to be that oily that much. This is my gentle cleanser, Cetaphil, yes. So I just get a few pumps. Yeah. If you guys are wondering, Cetaphil doesn't bubbles up your face. This is the cleanser that I really love because some of the cleanser they bubble up right and you feel like it cleansed, but no, honey, no. You gotta rub that in. But be gentle, please. Big cheeks. You can see. How I get this clear and soft. This baby helps. Dun, da, 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 da. Yes, yes. NIVEA cream moistures your skin. You can apply it in your face, in your neck, in your arms, in your legs, in your elbow, in your knees. Those dry skin, it really helps to smoothen out. At the same time, it gives you that moisture that you won't look dull or have this any dryness or cracked skin. It really helps to smooth it out, everything. I use this every day, every night before I go to bed, and in the morning I just use my moisturizer with an SPF. So I just get a little bit of that. You may notice that when you apply the NIVEA cream in your face, it's kinda stiff to move around the products, which is, it's full moisturizer, so it really does happen. So it gives that hardness to move around the product, but it's okay to add more. So I concentrate also the areas where I have dry skin, which is also this. And lastly but not the least, this is one of my top secret why I have clear skin, less acne scars, also dark spots, and it helps lighten my face, including my dark under eye, is this MENA facial cream. It's a whitening cream that has pure vitamin E, lightens your acne scars, dark circles, and also your dark under eyes. So if you have like dark spots or any acne scars, it helps to lighten it and smoothen your skin as mine. This product is originally from Thailand, but I order online, so this cost $3, but I love the smell. So what I did, I just get some of it. The consistency is very sticky type because it has beeswax in the ingredients. So what I did, like this, I just tap it there and try to spread evenly. You can use it to all of your face if you want to lighten your face, but for me, I just have dark spots and dark under eyes and also some acne scars, so this is what I'm using. And one of the ingredients also they have, like what I said earlier, it has pure vitamin E and also mineral oil. So it's like one of the remedies of girls in Thailand. So that's why their skin is so flawless, so smooth, and very clear. So just put some of my under eyes. Now I can also put my acne scars and also some dark spots in my face. Then you're good to go. You can use this twice a day. One in the morning, you can use it over makeup, or it's up to you. And also the important is before bedtime. So this is like your overnight cream, including your NIVEA. So I just put my NIVEA all over my face, including my neck. And then some dark areas and acne scars, I put MENA cream. So there. So there you go. If you love this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye! Good night!